Pawpaw dragging me a little red dinger.
At 18 feet.
At 18 feet. And got me a pretty good little old fish. Oh, that may be a spot. That may be a spot the way he's acting. Because he ain't that big. No. He's just a mean old 2-pound largemouth.
Yep.
Get you a little of that. All right, Ben, catch you one now.
I will accommodate.
Thank you, buddy. We ain't skunked. That's pawpaw dragon. That's easy fishing. And you catch fish, can't you, Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah. 20 feet of water. Coming right up that slope.
I got a red deal.
Get you a little of that. All right. Fish number 2. Caught me one on a fluke this morning, Ben. He's a pretty good fish. Woohoo! Didn't take you long, did it?
No. But he missed mine.
He tried to get it?
Yep.
That's a nice fish. I'll get you some of that one. I'll put the D-lyres on it.
3 pounds.
Even?
1 ounce. 3 pound, 1 ounce.
I think he's bigger.
3 pound, 2 ounces.
I think he's like 3.5. $3.9. No, 3.11.
Wow.
Look how fat he is, Ben.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Some people would call that a 4-pounder. I'll get you a little of that. Thank you. Ben caught him one on a gob this morning. Good, ain't it?
That's pretty good.
Man.
Yeah, there ain't not many dinks that hang out in that spot right there.
No.
They're mostly 2-pound fish. This is 2.5.
Woohoo! Big fish. Did it get smaller when it got to the boat?
Yeah. Shrunk from 2.5 to 2. I didn't think he was that big when he hit it, but he just fought.
He just fought good, didn't he?
Yeah. He's heavy.
These are
though.
just good fighting fish here, folks.
He's heavy. He's a heavy 2-pounder. In fact, he's over 2 pound, but he's just heavy.
Yeah.
6.
5. How many you caught?
This is my second.
5. Well, I ain't caught but 3. 2 on a worm, 1 on a fluke. We chased them ghosts down, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. Good grief. Didn't even have a barb. Look at that barb.
I know it.
Just had the point sticking in his lower.
Ben done hooked up on another.
I'm fixing to get the counter out.
Number 6. Another nice one. Old fluke man Ben. Oh, we got another. We got a double. Woohoo! We doubling up over here, boys.
That's 7.
Lazy man fishing, pawpaw dragging. Did he? No, he still got my. Boy, he choked that thing.
Should get hung up one.
That's number 8, Ben.
Yep, click. There.
The guide said,
I'm
just
talking barely twitching that thing now. Just barely twitching. He's a good fish too. I mean, I was hardly moving that blade, Doug. The blade whisperer strikes again. Martin, you the blade whisperer. It's good fish. He is a good fish. Doug found him with a radar and I caught him.
there's more than one back there.
I mean, I was just barely twitching that thing. I mean, not even moving it. And he just picked it up.
You just talked about the eagle over there in the tree.
I was pontificating on that eagle, and that fish ate my blade. He almost crocheted himself to it.
See, I'm the bird dog. I find him for being on the electronics and tell him to drop his blade down there and catch one. Whoo! Whoo! He says. Yep. I said, right there they are. Look here. I told him, look on that string.
Well, this is a good one, too. This is my best fish of the day for sure. They always shrink on the way in.
Whoa, that didn't shrink,
this
did
one
it?
here ain't gonna shrink. Well, he liked to jerk the rod
Get the
out.
net, David.
He liked to jerk the rod out of my hand. I picked it up off that lip, and I never did move it after I got it to the top of the lip. He just picked it up and jerked. Man, that's a good fish. Give me a bit. Holy moly, this is a fish here.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
I'm afraid this ain't no bass. I'm afraid this is a catfish.
Be a bass.
I mean, he had me wrapped around the limb, everything. I'm losing. It's a catfish, Doug.
How you know?
I can just tell.
It's a big old bass.
No, it's a catfish.
Come on, be a big old bass.
It's a catfish. A giant kitty cat. See him?
Woohoo!
Hey, am I fortunate to get that thing up out of them sticks, and I may not be able to keep him up. He's a big one. I want my blade back.
We're gonna get it. I got the grabbers ready to get him.
I mean, the line is doing like this. Bass wouldn't be so.
That is a big catfish.
He'd like to jerk the blade out of my hand. Doug, he's not ready yet.
I know it. I ain't moving. I'm just videoing.
This is 12-pound line. I got a chance. So you say there's a chance.
Looks like braid.
It ain't. It's 12-pound big game. And I got a 12-pound catfish on here. Don't you get in one of them treetops. Don't do it.
Ben's got a fight on.
Let me get him around on the other side for you.
Don't come this way. Hey, either side will be all right. Just let him play out just a little bit. You good. I ain't gonna step on them rods. Don't touch the line, Doug. Oh, he's making another run, ain't he?
Yeah.
Hey, he's bigger than a 12-pound cat, by the way. I don't know. He may not be.
Oh, I wish that blade had come out.
You just barely got him hooked. Oh, man, his mouth is so big.